2 minutes. Kuch. Look the diagram, Nana. Okay. Look the diagram. The question is find PD. PD means potential difference between B and D. Sorry, Nana. B and D. This is the question. Find the potential difference B and D, Nana. Here, look here. Here, the keyword in the problem, this upper part, lower part. What combination? Parallel combination. Why? Here current divido. Okay? Keyword in the problem, upper part and lower part in what combination? Parallel combination. Parallel combination means total voltage is constant. Voltage is constant. Simply, total voltage of the complete circuit equal to voltage of the upper part equal to voltage of the lower part. That means upper part voltage, lower part voltage, total voltage in the circuit is constant because the combination is parallel combination. Okay? Ohm's law. V equal to IR. Total current flowing through the circuit is I. Ohm's law. V equal to IR. R effective, Nana. R effective. Nana, R effective means upper part and lower part what combination? Parallel. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R1 value P plus Q. R2 value R plus S. Tell me what is the final answer? P plus Q. Okay. R plus S. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay. Completed. V effective completed. Equal to V upper. Upper గుండా పోయే కరెంట్ ఎంత? I1. అప్పర్ టోటల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? P plus Q. Completed. Lower. Lower part current flowing ఎంత? I2. Lower part total resistance R plus S. Okay. I equate first one and second one. First one and second one. Finally we get, look the diagram. Look here. Look here. First two equate P plus Q cancel. What is the I1 value? I into R plus S by P plus Q plus R plus S. Equation number 1. I1 okay. Next one, first one, third one equal. Then R plus S cancel. Finally write I2 value is I into P plus Q by P plus Q plus R plus S. Equation number 2. Here to determine, what is the question? Potential difference between B and D. First to determine VAB. VAB means, look the diagram. VAB means VA minus VB. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. A to B current flowing is I1. A to B resistance is P. Okay. Here one substitute. What is the I1 value? I1 value I into, look here, R plus S into P by P plus Q plus R plus S. Equation number 3. Next to determine VAD. AD means VA minus VD. Here A to D current flowing is I2. Simply I2 R. Okay, what is the I2 value? I2 value equation to I into P plus Q. Okay, whole by P plus Q plus R plus S into R. Okay, this is I2 nana, I2. This is R. Equation number 4 nana. Okay, this is first to determine VAB, second determine VAD. But to determine what? Potential difference between B and D. Simply to determine VB minus VD. Determine what nana? VB minus VD. VB minus VD. Write as in this manner. VB minus VD write as equation 4 minus equation 3. Look the diagram. Look the diagram. VB minus VD. According to equation 4, this is, look here, 4 write as VA minus VD minus 3 write as VA minus VB. Here minus inside VA cancel, minus of minus plus, finally write as VB minus VD, and simply VB minus VD write as equation 4 minus equation 3. Okay, do you understand? What is the equation 4? Equation 4 is I into, okay nana, P plus Q into R by P plus Q plus R plus S. What is the equation 3? I into P plus, equation 3. I into R plus S into P by P plus Q plus R plus S. In the right side, which will be common? I common, whole by P plus Q plus R plus S common. Remaining tell me. Here write P into R, PR, Q into R, QR, minus, look here nana, look here, R into P, PR, minus SP. Okay, here PR what? Cancel. Finally, what is the answer? Look the board. VB minus VD equal to I by P plus Q plus R plus S into, here look here, QR minus PS. Okay, here nana, this is the potential difference between B and D. Okay, according to diagram. In the situation, first I discuss case 1. Suppose QR greater than PS. Simply QR is more. For example, the 5 is the 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 plus 1. Simply VB minus VD positive. That's right as VB greater than VD. Simply VB more, VD less according to this condition. QR greater than PS. QR greater than PS. VB greater than VD. Simply current flows from B to D. Okay. Next nana. Here case 2. Look here nana. QR less than PS అంటే PS ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఇది 4 అయితే ఇది 5 అయింది అనుకో. 4 minus 5 ఎంత? -1. Simply VB less than VD. Simply here D is at higher potential. So here current always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Simply D to B. according to condition to identify the flow of current from B to D, D to B అనేది easily to check. Last case nana, case 3. Suppose QR equal to PS. QR equal to PS. Look here. Both are equal. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 into anything, 0. Simply VB equal to VD. Simply potential at B equal to potential at D. In the situation, no current flows through from B to D or D to B. This condition is called balancing condition of Wheaton bridge. QR equal to PS write as P by Q equal to R by S. S other side, Q other side. This is called balancing condition of Wheaton bridge. Simply, what is the potential difference between B and D? What is the formula? VB minus VD equal to I by P plus Q plus R plus S into QR minus PS. QR greater than PS, current flows B to D. QR less than PS, current flows D to B. QR equal to PS, no current flows through the galvanometer. Okay? That means no current flows through the B to D pole. Number 72 in the material. Here Nana, P value is given 2 ohm, Q value is given 3 ohm, R value is given 2 ohm, S value is given 4 ohm. Okay? Keyword in the problem, bridge balance. Bridge balance. Okay? Bridge balance when the resistance to be connected to the S have. That means nana bridge balance అవ్వాలి అంటే S కి ఎంత కలపాలి అని అడిగాడు. What is the bridge balancing condition? P by Q equal to R by S. P by Q, R by S. Simply, according to diagram, 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 4. యాక్చువల్లీ బ్రిడ్జ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎంత రావాలి? 3a రావాలి. కానీ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 4. మరి 4ని 3 చేయాలి అంటే డిక్రీజ్ చేయాలి. నాన్న రెసిస్టెన్స్ మినిమం అవ్వాలి అంటే ద కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ ప్యారలల్. రెసిస్టెన్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం అవ్వాలి అంటే ద కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ సిరీస్. ఇప్పుడు 4 బికమ్స్ 3 అవ్వాలి, అప్పుడు బ్రిడ్జ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది. మరి 4 బికమ్స్ 3 అవ్వాలి అంటే ఎస్కి రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి? ప్యారలల్లో కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఎస్కి ఆర్ అనే రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎలా కలపాలి? ప్యారలల్లో కలపాలి. ప్యారలల్ అంటే ఆర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఫార్ములా మీకు తెలుసా? ఆర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఫార్ములా 2 రెసిస్టర్స్ ఇన్ ప్యారలల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here R1 value 4 ohms, R2 value parallel R, 4 plus R. This total resistance becomes ఎంతకి బ్యాలెన్స్ అవ్వాలో చెప్తారా? 3కి బ్యాలెన్స్ అవ్వాలి. Once again I repeat, P by Q equal to R by S. 2 balance, 3 4 not balance. Okay? ఇప్పుడు ఇది 3 అయితే బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎస్కి ఎంత కలిపితే బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఈ ఎస్కి సమ్ కలపడం వల్ల ఈ 4 బికమ్స్ ఏమవ్వాలి? 3. సింప్లీ ఎఫెక్టివ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ బికమ్స్ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 3 అవ్వాలి. ఇప్పుడు నాకు క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై 3 into 4 12, 3 into R 3R 4R plus 3R other side, 4R minus 3R, finally it becomes R. What is the R value? 12 ohm. 12 ohm is In a parallel connection of S, automatically the bridge is balance. The bridge is what, Nana? Balance. Look the board. Okay? What is that balancing condition of Vision bridge? P by Q equal to R by S. Okay? Next, Nana. Look the board, Nana. Next, look the board. The question number 73, Nana. Here, 4 resistors. P, Q, R, X. Here R value is 100 ohms. Okay? Here Nana R value is 100 ohms. Bridge is balanced. Bridge is balanced. Bridge is balanced. Bridge is balanced means what is the condition? P by Q, R by S. Simply P by Q equal to, look here, R by X. Okay? Here R value is given 100 by X, P by Q. Next, Nana, same question. PQR interchange. PQR interchange. Interchange means Q is place P. P is place Q. Both are interchange, Nana. Here P place lo em petali Q. Q place lo em petali P. Here next R value is given, Nana, 121. Find X value. This is the question. Once again I repeat. PQ interchange. Interchange. ఇప్పుడు balancing condition చెప్పండి. Q by P, R by X. Simply Q by P equal to R by X. Here Q by P equal to R value 121 by X. Equation number 2. Okay, look here. Find X, Nana. In the equation 1 and equation 2, unknowns are P, Q, X. Unknowns get cancelled automatically to get X value. Cancel avali ante equation 1 multiplied by equation 2. What is the equation 1 left side? P by Q. Equation 2 left side, Q by P equal to 1 right side, 100 by X into 121 by X. Here Q cancel, B cancel. Finally, X into X square. 100 into 121. Finally, we get X value 10 into 11. Finally, we get 110 ohms. Okay? This is the final solution, Nana. Okay? Again, read the question and solve the problem. Look here. Next question, Nana. Last problem today. Look the problem, Nana. 21 ohms. X 8, 3 ohm. This is A. This is C. This is 18 ohms. This is 6 ohm. A, this is B, this is D. Okay, keyword in the problem, PD between B and D say. PD. Keyword in the problem, PD between B and D is 0. Simply VB equal to VD. Simply, no current flows through the galvanometer. This is called balancing condition of Wheatstone bit. Simply, P by Q equal to R by S. In the situation, find this X value. Simply look here, P by Q, R by S. P by Q, R by S. In the situation, look here, P by Q, 21 whole by, look here man, 21 whole by 8x by 8 plus x. Okay? Equal to, look here, this by this. 18 by 3, 6. Look here, this by this by this. But this total cannot write. These two are parallel and this is in series. Plus 3 is also add. Look here now again. This by this. 21, okay. These two are parallel. 8x by 8 plus x. These in series plus 3. Okay. Here Nana 6 3 times. 3 how many times? 7 times. 7 equal to 8x by 8 plus x plus 3. 3 other side minus 7 minus 3 4 equal to 8x by 8 plus x. 4 how many times? 2 times. 8 plus x equal to 2x. 2x minus x. Finally, we get x value is 8. X value is 8. Look the diagram now. Okay?